In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Snapchat filter from photo. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. First, let's open our Snapchat application, and from here tap on your memories icon in the left corner of the screen and just select the photo with the Snapchat filter. So let's select this and tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and simply select Edit Snap. From here, let's just swipe the photo to the right. And as you can see, here are some filters. So to remove the Snapchat filter from this photo, let's just select this no filter option. So from there, you can just simply tap on export or just simply add it as your story or send to your friend. So that is how you remove Snapchat filter from photo. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.